Caparino. Hannah is an academic achiever and an active student leader. She was a Supreme People Government President in Tagpuro Elementary School for the school year 2019 to 2020. She is also the SSLG Vice President in the Tacloban City National High School, a YESO President of the same institution. She loves dancing and drawing, and a badminton player, and also play basketball. She is a leader and very graceful this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Mutya Tagpuro number 3, Hannah Colleen Samantha Caparino. Number 5, Linia Len Hermosura Navigante. Linia Len is a former officer of Senior Boy Scout of the Philippines in Tacloban City Council. She was a first woman cadet battalion commander of the ROTC Summer Camp Training and Philippine Army Advanced ROTC Academic Phase Training in Ormoc City. Linia Len is a dance hip-hop dancer and your beauty queen. That was Mutya Tagpuro number 5, Linia Len Hermosura Navigante.